everybody, it's Angela with Prettify Your Life, and Happy New Year. It's been a while. I had the flu in December. December was rough, y'all. I don't know if your family got hit with it, but we did a little bit, or at least me specifically. So I'm just now feeling better. Hope you and your family are doing well. I'm going to talk today about Chalk Couture. Now, it's a product that I signed up for last year, and I just haven't put the time into it. It got busy in the fall. I'm very involved with my kids' school, and or at least with their sports activities and whatnot. So now I'm deciding it's time to finally put my attention towards this really cool product. I sell Chalk Couture now. You can find my website at prettifyyourlife.com. prettifyyourlife.chalkcouture.com, and I'm launching my Facebook page today, facebook.com/PYL with chalk. So be sure to follow me and check these products out. Now, I got this particular chalkboard with my starter kit. The starter kits are $99. You certainly don't have to buy a starter kit. You can just buy the products. When you buy a starter kit, then you can buy the products at wholesale cost. That's the difference. Now, this is the 9x12. Sorry, make sure I get the name right. Aiden Antique White 9x12 chalkboard. And when you join with Chalk Couture, you get a free transfer every month. Now, these are the screen print transfers. And then you put these on the chalkboard, and then you're going to put the paste over that. I'm going to get to that in just a minute. But if you join, you get a free transfer every month. So this was the November one, and I thought this would be a fun New Year's project. So I'm going to open it up. So it's screen print. And this is a rough side, and then there's a smoother side. So what you're going to do is you're going to peel off the back, if you can get it started. So you have the sticky side on the back. So make sure you're careful. You don't want it to stick to itself. And then we're just going to kind of place it. I had to turn it off camera to get it on. You didn't want to see me hovering over this. Now, I got it pretty much centered the way I wanted it. Press it down. Now, the interesting thing about this is if you're a crafter and you've worked with vinyl, there's that moment when you put vinyl down, especially 651, where it's permanent and it's make or break. Well, I kind of had that thought with this. But while it's sticky, it's not like crazy sticky like vinyl, so I was able to reposition it. So that makes me feel much better. Now that I've got this nice and pressed down, I should note that I have a pan, a cookie sheet of warm water. That's how you're going to clean it. As soon as I take this off, I'm going to put that in the pan of water so that you don't want chalk paste drying on this. You want to be able to reuse this. These are reusable. So I'm going to do an ombre technique. I've got my white chalk paste, and I've got pink, which is they call bubblegum. So I have a little squeegee here, and I'm just going to take, and I have pre-stirred this. When you get these and open them, you want to stir them up. So, take a little bit on your squeegee, and you're going to put it, you're going to dab it in a few places. Now you really want to press that into the transfer and make sure you get those edges. There's little, this is a curly font here, so we want to get all of that. You have to work rather quickly because this does dry fast. So I'm going to go down to about right there, and you can wipe the excess back. A thin coat of the paste is better than a thick coat. You'll have a better result. So I'm just taking out a little bit, goes a long way, so I'm taking off the excess. I'm going to put a little bit right here with this T. Now I'm going to use another, well, I'm going to wipe this off. I'm going to wipe off the squeegee. And then I'm going to go into my pink, or bubble gum rather. Again, I've already stirred this, so I don't have to waste the time on the video. And I'm going to put some down here. Pressing it in. Where the two meet, I'm going to leave a gap so that I can get my ombre in just a minute. Okay, now that I've got the bottom half pretty much covered with my bubble gum, I'm going to take off the excess. Okay, now I'm going to take my finger and take a little bit of that white and just kind of ombre it in there where the two colors meet. Just kind of muddle it there so that it looks like a smooth transition there at the line. And I'm just going to take that. I went up with the pink a little bit. That'll be okay. Now, I'm going to take the transfer off and see what we have. Take it off slowly. Okay, and I'm immediately going to put it sticky side up into my pan of water, excuse my reach, so that the chalk paste doesn't stick. But look how fun that is, and that is so easy. Y'all, this is literally my first time doing this. Like, I did my first time on camera, and look how easy that is. That is amazing, and this will stay on there until I want to wipe it off and put something else on there. So wow, I'm kind of impressed with this. No, I'm really impressed with it. It's a really clean look, very easy. So why don't you go and check out my website and my Facebook page. Like me on Facebook, because I intend to do more of these videos just to show you how easy this stuff is. And go shopping. This is fun.